Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bregman here from IQOptionWiki.com, and in this video I want to give you a short tutorial about different stock market charts you can choose with the IQ Option platform. On our website we have two articles. In this video I will explain two different charts, and then the last one deserves a video on its own. That's the Heikin Ashi candlesticks. So let's go to our website here. First you have the traditional linear chart. It's very traditional, very old, goes back into forever. Then Japanese candlesticks. There's an old Japanese guy, it's about 200 years ago. He invented this Japanese candlestick chart, and we still use them. It's the most popular chart on the market. Shortly, it works with a wick, a body, and another wick down, and they're pretty famous, pretty reliable. There are loads of different patterns you can identify from the Japanese candlestick. That's why they are so popular. They have a maximum price, a minimum price, opening and a closing price, and then besides that we have a slightly different variant, that is the bar chart. And the bar chart works more with a closing and opening price and has a maximum and a minimum price. But let's dive into the IQ Option platform and let's see how we can use these charts. So now we're in the IQ Option platform, and as you can see, this is the standard chart. Rarely nobody uses them because only losing traders use these charts, because actually you can not identify any signals from these charts. Of course there are some techniques, but they're not reliable, and that's why we never want to use a standard line chart. They also say only losing traders lose these charts. So try to avoid these charts, and that's why we're going to the Japanese candle. Now, Japanese candlesticks are very straightforward. It's the second chart in line. You can choose different colors, of course. They're pretty popular. I explain some of the specific candles in other videos. Then you have to check my channel. If you want to start practicing with it, go to my website, open a free demo account for IQ Option, and you can start practicing. Now, the chart is the one I need to explain the most here, because it looks very weird, but actually they're very, very simple. They work with an opening and closing price, and now I need to use my drawing tools for a second to explain what I mean with opening and closing price. So the way we can identify trends with these type of charts is that the second candle needs to open and close higher than the first candle. So for example, here it opens, and then here it closes, and it opens here, and then it closes higher, and then it opens here, and then it closes higher. So the way people use these candles is they identify by the second candle here that this is a bullish signal, and they will predict that the third candle will be higher. Also on the reverse here, you see here this red candle, the first one, and then the second one opens and closes lower than the first candle, and that can thereby can be a bearish signal, be predicted that the market is going down lower. So that's a way people like to look at these candles. I personally prefer the Japanese candlesticks because I've been trading them for years with them now, and they're just my favorite kind of chart. I'm comfortable with them, and that's why I never use the bar chart. But play around Some people like it, and then in the next video we will do the Heikenesse candlesticks because they deserve a video on their own. Thank you for watching. This was Bart, and happy trading.